Now let's train. Exercise 1. Match the following adjectives with their opposites. Put the video on pause and do the exercise yourselves. Then let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. Careful, careless, good, bad, sunny, rainy, very good, happy, sad, excellent, comfortable, uncomfortable, high, low. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Transform the following adjectives into adverbs. Put the video on pause and do the exercise yourselves. Then let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. Careful, carefully, heavy, heavily, important, importantly, excellent job, good, well, general, generally, excellent job. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!